Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So if you are unable to log in on your Windows computer or Windows laptop, in this video I will show you a quick method to fix this issue. So let's start. First, press Ctrl key, Alt key and Delete key. Press all the three keys together. After that, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Press and hold the Shift key, then click on this power icon, then click on Restart. So this will open your system in advanced mode. So press and hold the Shift key and then click on Restart. Now you can release the Shift key. After that, click on this option, Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced option. Click on Command Prompt. Wait for a few seconds. Now select your login user account. Now enter your password, your login username password. Now here you have to type a command to repair Windows corrupted files. So the command will be sfc /scan now. Press enter. So this process will take around 5 minutes. Verification process completed 100%. Now cut this window. After that, again click on Troubleshoot, click on Advanced option. Now click on this option, Startup Settings. So this will open your system in safe mode. Click on it. Now click on Restart. Now on your keyboard, press F5 function key. So this will open your system in safe mode. Now enter your login username password. Now you can see my system is in safe mode. You can see safe mode is written in all the four corners. Okay. Now after login in your safe mode, click on the Windows icon and restart your system. So now this will restart your system and open your system in a normal mode. Now if I try to log in normal mode, and now you can see the issue has been resolved. So this is how you can fix this issue. This is all for the video. Thanks for watching.